Everyone, my name is Jim. I work at McLean's RV in Sanger, Texas. We're going to go over the 2025 Transcend 315RKT. This is a fantastic option, fantastic floor model. It's a travel trailer, and it's got the length and the feel of a Grand Design reflection. So I'm just going to go over some of the features of it with you really shortly here. All right, guys, welcome inside. We're inside of the 315 RKT. I'm just going to show you a few different features that we have around here with this fantastic floor plan. First off, I just want to show you this sofa. It has the option to fold down and fold up for extra room space. If you're wanting to fit 3 different people on here, very comfortable sofa. And it does come with this ottoman as well. Really cool feature about this ottoman, it folds out and you can have storage for blankets inside of there, pillows, what have you. And if you're sitting on the couch, you could actually make a nice little table for yourself. This sofa, this ottoman, excuse me, does fit under this fantastic option for a desk right here. This is with the 315RK layout, and it has the option to slide right under here to stow it away. Pretty cool feature here. Another thing, if you're not really concerned about using this as a desk at all, if you do have pets, Grand Design is known for taking care of their dogs and their cats and other various animals. Nice little spot for a kennel. Another option, fantastic countertop space in the kitchen here. Wraps around. Solid hardwood cabinet doors. Nice little farmhouse sink with the fantastic farmhouse mirror. You can take a look outside, watch your kids, take a look at the lake while you're washing up dishes. Really cool. Stainless steel sink, 3-burner oven range. Nice pantry door with plenty of storage. And I can't stress it enough, this overlooking window outside is the most gorgeous window you've ever seen in a kitchen sink. Alright everyone, check out the master bedroom in here. Inside this 315RK, king size bed comes standard with this slide out. So super functional, super convenient, super comfortable. It has a dedicated air conditioner up above. There's actually 3 air conditioners in this entire unit. We got a front wardrobe closet area here. It does have the washer and dryer prep available, plenty of coat storage, clothes storage. Another awesome thing about this that Grand Design thought about, they actually have a clothes hamper installed into this closet down here. Thank you guys. Once again, my name is Jim. Thank you for taking the time to sit down with me and take a walk through the 2025 Transcend 315 RKS. This is a fantastic option for a travel trailer if you're looking for comfortability. And make sure you look at my number below. Don't hesitate to reach out to Jim. And thank you again.